We're here at Dorney Park, so we're here for the haunt. Last time we were here was actually the opening day, and it is now the closing day. I only went twice, but we're gonna walk around, do some houses, do some mazes, see what we get.
Merry Christmas!
This thing wasn't all bubbly last time. The bubbles aren't working. They're just kind of stuck. Oh, they stopped. The bubbles are working in here. The bubbles are working in here.
That's what you're gonna have to done with you.
It is so incredibly cold out right now. It is currently 36 degrees in Dorney Park. Ran up to tourist trap and there is nobody in line.
It is quite disrespectful.
It's empty.
In addition, do not touch
So we're back in the car, so that was a nice little quick fun night. Last night at the haunt, I didn't record too much and I didn't talk too much because my voice, something's going on with my voice. I don't know what it is, but I can't really talk. See, that's it. It's over. The haunt is over. Dorney Park's haunt 2019, all done. We got to do a lot. Did most of the houses, pretty much took care of all those. Got some rides. Last thing we did, Talon, front row. Last hour is awesome because nobody's here. Look at the parking lot. It's empty.